Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on adding two-column text boxes in WordPress in just a few minutes. In this guide, you will learn how to navigate the WordPress site, log into your account, and modify your page layout with multiple columns to enhance readability and overall design. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to your WordPress site. Once the homepage is loaded, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login button. Click on this option to initiate the sign-in process. After clicking the login button, you will be presented with several authentication options. For a smooth and secure login experience, select the option that allows you to continue with your Google account. Using this option simplifies the sign-in process by linking your WordPress account to your existing Google credentials, eliminating the need to remember an additional password. Simply choose the account you want to use to access your dashboard. Once you have successfully logged in, locate the quick link section within the WordPress dashboard. Here, you will find a link labeled Edit Site. Click on it to jump directly into the site editor, which provides access to all the tools necessary to customize your pages. Now that you are in the editor, your next step is to add a new element to your page layout. In the upper left corner, you will see a plus icon. Clicking on this icon opens a menu displaying a variety of blocks that can be added to your site, including text, images, buttons, and columns. In the search bar within this menu, type the word columns. The editor will filter the options and display a block titled columns. Click on this block to add it to your page. After selecting the columns block, you will be prompted to choose the number of columns you want to include. For this tutorial, select the two-column layout option. Your page will now display two side-by-side text boxes, creating a structured area for adding content. To refine your layout further, hover your cursor over the divider between the two columns. A plus icon will appear, allowing you to add additional blocks or elements between the columns. Click this icon to explore more options such as inserting images, buttons, or text. This functionality gives you greater flexibility in organizing content within your two-column layout. By following these steps, you have successfully added two-column text boxes to your WordPress page. This process is designed to be quick, intuitive, and beginner-friendly. With your new layout in place, you can now add content to each column to improve readability and create a visually appealing website. The tutorial provides a clear, step-by-step guide to ensure that even users new to WordPress can follow along easily. Enjoy the benefits of a well-structured and professional-looking site that presents information in a clean, organized, and attractive format. Happy WordPress using!